Hello and welcome to the 29th episode of our weekly Unity tip Roundup, where we take a look at the tweets that were posted or mentioned on or around each Tuesday under the Unity tips hashtag. Yes, your speakers are working correctly. You are hearing a different voice. Our video editor, who actually makes these videos, is on his well-deserved vacation. I hope I'm a worthy substitute because you will hear me again next week on our 30th episode. Fun fact, I am doing this the first time and I am the only person at Binary Impact who can program, so please be nice, even if I might pronounce things wrong. In this episode, we gathered 5 of these tweets that were posted, shared or retweeted around the 26th of July. This is now the 4th time in a row we start an episode with Mirza. So if you have been checking back often, you must already know Mirza. With over 10,000 followers on Twitter, he is no stranger to Unity tips. In his tip, he shows us how to change coroutines. In the short video he shows this in action, with a little Kingdom Hearts reference. We like that. Also Peter from Sunny Valley Studio is a well-known Twitter account who has cool tips almost every week for these episodes. Even if his Unity tip cannot be explained in a tweet, it fits perfectly into this video format. Do you know these small planet photos? With a step-by-step tutorial, you can use Peter's tip to create your own curved world with a custom shader. More info can be found in the link in his tweet. Chronic has also participated countless times. He shares his weekly Unity tips with his 1,205 followers who certainly like to add them to their routines. Like this one, for example. This tip helps people with big projects. Did you know you can add favorites to the project window, which helps you to find your preferred files faster? Have a look at the animation to get a good impression of this feature. After so many well-known accounts, it is refreshing to introduce a new face. Say hi to Rihards from Latvia, previously known as Twisted Hive. He works at Popcore, a company that specializes mainly in mobile games for Android and iOS. Are you also a mobile dev who uses Unity? With this feature available since the 2021 cycle of Unity, you can simulate a bunch of different devices and check how your game will look on those. Really handy. And last but not least, Alex. Alex is also featured for the first time in one of our Unity Tips episodes. Say hello to Alex. He's a senior game developer from Canada. A useful debugging tip we get from a new face in this weekly roundup. Bind the timescale to a key to increase or decrease the time with which your project runs. This might help to identify problems or show exactly what is going on. And as always, we got the last spot on this list. Even though Linq is often a topic where opinions divide, we had fun creating these little extensions to lists to get a random element. This works well when filtering the list before. See our coding example for further details. Those were the 5 tips for this week. As always, we added our own tip at the end. We hope there was a tip that helped you with your projects. Please don't forget that these tips came from the Unity community, who shared them on Twitter under the hashtag UnityTips. Without these people, this video wouldn't exist. So please appreciate that and share, like and follow them on Twitter. And there are so many more we haven't mentioned yet. A big thank you to you too. We already have 29 episodes of Unity Tips on YouTube with this video. Check out our playlist, and while you're at YouTube, you can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell too. We really appreciate that. For any questions, comments, recommendations or requests, please use the comment section. Thank you for your time and see you next week.